Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on seeing the data usage on your Galaxy tablet. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up the Settings app on your tablet. In Settings, tap on the Connections tab. Then tap on Data Usage from the right sidebar menu. Tap Wi-Fi data usage, or if you have mobile data, tap Mobile data usage. At the top here, you can see the time period that it is showing stats for. You can tap it to change the time period. If you scroll down, you can see all of the individual apps' data usage. And if you tap on an app, you can see more information about the used data. You can also choose to allow data usage for this app when Data Saver is on, and disable background data usage for this app. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Galaxy Tab tips and tricks.